As the global energy demand continues to grow, VERYPOWER provides reliable commercial storage battery solutions to customers around the world with superior technology and efficient production capacity. Our factory is equipped with advanced automated production lines with an annual output of up to millions of batteries. Strict quality inspection system ensures that each product meets international standards. VERYPOWER has an experienced technical team that strives for excellence in every step of the process, from battery design, packing, assembly, to final inspection. We adopt an intelligent management system to ensure efficient production and stable supply. With a perfect supply chain system, our products are exported to Europe, America, North America, Asia, Africa, and many other countries and regions. Strong logistic capability ensures fast delivery so that customers can dock the market demand without worry. Our products have passed a number of international certifications, won many honors in the industry, and gained high recognition from customers around the world. VERYPOWER not only provides high-quality energy storage products, but also devotes itself to customizing the optimal power solutions for customers, helping enterprises to reduce energy consumption and improve efficiency. VERYPOWER specializes in the research and development of new energy systems and applications, and has been deeply engaged in the industry for 24 years, committed to promoting the development of low-carbon energy. You are warmly welcome to visit our sample room to learn more about our energy storage systems and experience various new energy products. As a customer of VERYPOWER, we are happy to receive your OEM/ODM orders. VERYPOWER, your professional energy storage partner for the global energy future.